Modern creations. Technology is defined in the dictionary BE 2542 as creations which bring out scientific knowledge to be utilized in practice and industry. Technology is the use of knowledge and scientific process to create equipments and tools to produce a large number of products with a lot of quality, using proper technology with creative arts. As most of the creations are made by humans, it is difficult for all the works to be exactly identical and to produce a large amount of works. Therefore, technology such as computers is used to help a large quantity of production. A computer is equipment which helps designing creative arts. They are used from the stage of designing, basic drafting and designing, detailed designing, calculation of sizes, materials, tools, and prices thereof. They help saving time and labors. The benefit of using a computer in designing are as follows. 1. Fast design products on the monitor with two-dimensional and three-dimensional systems. 2. Reduce the cost of designing and producing as the designs can be modified on the monitor. 3. Save time as it cuts the steps of making work models. 4. Make the most use of resources with littlest leftovers. 5. Data collection for next use. The use of technology should be appropriate according to the types of work as follows. 1. The creation of artificial flowers uses industrial technologies which help reducing time and increase the amount of product as follows. 1.1. Petal making machines. 1.2. Petal pressing machines. 1.3. Spraying machines can dye a lot of flower petals with constant colors. 1.4. Petal dryers. 2. Creations use models to create a large number of specific parts at the same time. The model is placed on top of many layers of materials and a cutting machine is used to cut the materials according to the model. The materials will then have the same model and size. Examples are designs of clothing, animal dolls, and packaging. 3. Creations which require the use of molds are, for example, resin arts, plaster arts, and incense candles. The works are molded by the molds in order to have the same shape. Molds which are used for this type of arts are such as doll molds, decorative candle molds, etc. 4. Pattern creations are made by placing a pattern screen on objects and painting colors on the screen according to the designs. When the screen is lit, the pattern will be left on the object. 5. Woven creations can be created by the help of computers. This technology can control the weaving of threads and yarns according to setup programs. Producing creations for vocation. The production of creations for vocation requires a mix of factors. They are based on large-scale production in appropriate markets. A person must have basic knowledge on making creations as follows. 1. Know the goals and purposes of the creations for the relation of designs and material used. 2. Know the properties of the materials used in order to use them appropriately. 3. Know the process of creation. 3.1. Know basic designing and principles of designing. 3.2. Steps of designing. 3.3. Solving problems and improving the works. 3.4. Modifying the work for the most of usage. 3.5. Neat and usable works. Production process of creative arts for vocation. The production process depends on a type of creation. The process is summarized as follows. Step 1. Survey the demand of the markets and target groups. Step 2. Analyze the needs of target groups such as functions, convenience, modernization, beauty, and price. Step 3. Plan designs by identifying the purposes of the products according to the analysis. Step 4. Create many designs for alternatives so that the most wanted design is available. Step 5. Make a model or a sample in order to test the demands of the target group. Step 6. Produce the creations and introduce them to market using advertisements and self-promotions. Step 7. Assess the result to improve the product. Step 8. Improve the products by using the data from the assessment.